it's the flights in the city, and I'm about to take off. And I'm about to take off. It's the flights in the city, and I'm about to take off.
What's good, Let's Live? Alright, I just wanted to quickly hop in. You just seen that intro of our regular YouTube stuff, but this video is going to be a jerk chicken cooking video. It originally went up for IGTV, but we decided to just throw it up on YouTube because why not? So don't mind when it's saying like this is our first IG blah blah blah, and it might not seem super YouTubey, and that's why. So I just decided to just record this as I'm editing that video. Hope you enjoy it. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember that because I never say it in the video. Good, enjoy. What's good, Live to Live?
Hi.
It's your boy Jay.
T.
Okay, a lot of people want us to do this jerk chicken recipe. It's not a lot to it. It's pretty simple, so we decided we're just gonna do our first IGTV and just show you guys how to make it.
Shout out to Darren,
The real Jamaican in the facts.
Yeah, he gave us the jerk seasoning recommendation. And
like the main thing that we use to make the jerk, which is why I'm saying like it's super easy. It's not like we're making it from scratch or anything. All right, so follow along, enjoy, like it, whatever. And we got more cooking videos coming for you guys. Those will probably be on the YouTube channel.
Or you can comment down below and let us know what kind of videos you're looking for.
Facts, or that. All right, so T's gonna be doing the cleaning right now, and she's gonna kind of explain the process as you see her doing it.
So I made sure to wash my hands, and then I'm just getting out the chicken. Make sure you wash your hands anytime you touch the chicken until you've cleaned it completely. So the easiest way to get this done in terms of like marinating and seasoning it, I feel, is to just throw it in one of these Ziploc bags so they can contain all the spices. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in it just to help everything stick to the chicken better and more smoothly. And you season it as you do. I used fresh garlic because we had it. Otherwise you can use garlic powder. And then the Walker's wood. So it's hard to see, but basically this is what it looks like. So at this point, you just want to work all the seasonings into the meat with your hands. It may take a while.
Several days later.
But as you can see, it coats it pretty nicely. And then we are gonna put it in the fridge and just let it marinate for at least an hour, preferably 2 or more. I did mine overnight last time and that was really good. It just gives the meat time to like soak up all the seasonings and stuff. And yeah, that's about it for the marinade.
All right, so now that our chicken is out of the fridge, I think we put it in for like an hour-ish, maybe a little bit more than an hour. But as you can see, it looks good, it looks ready. Our oven's preheating on 370. And now we're gonna layer it on our baking tray. So I sprayed it with a little Pam. You can use whatever you want. We tend to use Pam just because it's like 0 calories, everything, no excess fat. Just trying to be healthy. With these, you don't want to get lazy, I would say. And like most chicken I cook, I don't like to make it like so they're all on top of each other. So I kind of space them out. We're lucky enough that we have 2 of these trays. So I'm gonna put some on this tray and then I'm gonna grab the other tray and put some more on it. We were thinking, so like between 350 to 370 is a good ballpark. I feel like if you go lower with the temperature, then you gotta cook it for a little bit longer. I would say maybe do about somewhere between an hour, like 50 minutes to an hour. We preheated ours to 370, so we're shooting for like 45 minutes. Ish, ballparking. Halfway, flip your chickens over, whatever time you decide on. Flip it over and so that you can evenly cook both sides. And then we have our meat thermometer somewhere here where we're gonna be able to check our chicken after. We want it to be at 165 on the meat thermometer. All right, so our oven is ready. So we're just gonna toss these in. Just gonna do side by side pretty much. Show each other some love. And like I said, we're shooting for 45 minutes, so about 22-ish minutes, we're gonna come check it out, see if we need to flip it and all that great stuff. Yeah.
Right.
Look at it, halfway. You can already tell stuff is happening. I'm about to pull them out and flip them. I wish you guys could be here with us because this smells amazing. Okay, let's flip them, Looking super juicy.
A few minutes later.
Yep, and just like that, right? We're done. So what'd you give them as an advice for like this? What are you doing when you're checking a couple of them?
I just check a couple of them and try and put it deep into the actual meat so that it can get a good measurement. That one might even be overdone. It's at 180.
These look really good.
I'm just gonna cut it just to make 100% sure. Yep, meat's nice and white. Tastes really good.